Follow the money. Straight to the cashier. Triactors offer a great opportunity to spread your wings out and pick up lots of combinations very cheaply. For the cost of a $1 exactor reverse, you can buy a triactor wheel with that same exactor occupying first and second and 5 other horses to finish third. All tracks have multi-leg wagers and 60 cents or 20 cents triactors. The longer wagers like triactors and superfectas are built on combinations. It's the diversification of your betting and the reason you want to find the tracks that have the 20 cents triactors and not the $1. To box 3 horses in any order for a 20 cents triactor would only cost $1.20. To add on other horses for third should one of your horses falter, it would only cost an additional $1.20 to have your fourth choice waiting to jump in his place. How about a fifth for just another $1.20? The 60 cents triactor is good for races with a favorite and 2 possible runner-ups. That will only cost you $1.20 and could easily pay $20. Keep it simple, sir or madam. Diversify your wagers before doubling down. With inexpensive wagering amounts, you can consider purchasing more combinations to your bet. In the examples below from left to right, you can take 4 horses, and as long as any 3 finish in the money, in any order, you win. Try an exactor reverse wheeled with all other horses finishing third or key on one horse with 3 others boxed underneath that can come in as any 2. Recognize the pattern that will provide you with the best opportunity to win this wager. Great information. Must visit site if you plan to wager on Australian racing. And why wouldn't you? Good luck. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates on seasonal track changes and opportunities to find that low-hanging fruit. It's harvest time.